On the Vocarium platform, assignments are created by the teachers and then published to students. Students only see published assignments. They can work on them and submit when it's completed. Once submitted, the assignments will be graded. The grades and feedback are then made available to the students. To create an assignment, choose your course and select Edit Labs or Assignments on the menu bar. At this point, you can either start from an assignment that has already been created by selecting Copy, or select New to start from scratch. You can also import an assignment from one of the courses where you have access. There are various configuration options that can be set that are specified under Options, LTI, Exam, and Advanced. We will create a new assignment now. Enter the name of the assignment at the title and save. You can change the position of where the assignment appears on the list on the left-hand side. Once the assignment has been created, we can create parts of the assignment. An assignment can have multiple parts. Each part is an independent problem that students can work on. These parts can either have the same deadline or independent deadlines. Independent deadlines are often used by teachers to split an assignment into multiple milestones. Part level controls are set by clicking on the part name. Each part must have a name and at least one grading rubric. Grading rubrics are a list of name and maximum value. These fields are presented to the grader for manual grading. Auto-grading scripts will need to refer to the rubric item names while specifying the scores. Configure Workspace is the workbench for teachers where they can create assessment scripts. These scripts can be tied to events like assignment submission or auto-grading.